Are you a heavy snorer, or does your partner's snoring keep you up at night? Don't want to wear a bulky CPAP or an uncomfortable oral appliance? Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Pang from the Cosmic Sleep Clinic in Neutral Bay. We've got a breakthrough laser treatment that can reduce snoring by up to 50% after the first treatment. It's been available in Europe and America for a few years, but now it's available here in Australia. There's no anesthetic, no surgery, no downtime, and after a quick 20-minute treatment, you can get back to your day. And find out how you and those around you can get a better night's sleep.